guys, welcome back to another QuickThyme video, and today I'm going to show you how to cook the perfect scrambled eggs. And as you can see, I'm cracking 3 eggs in a medium-sized bowl, and the trick is adding 2 tablespoons of milk, and I'm going to season it up with some sea salt. And now I'm just going to grab a fork and just make sure it's scrambled really well. Now over medium-low heat in a non-stick pan, I'm going to melt a tablespoon of butter, and you want to make sure you keep your heat medium-low because over high heat your eggs are going to turn out tough, and that's something you definitely don't want. I'm ready to add the scrambled eggs to my pan, and I'm going to use a rubber spatula. Me personally, I like to cook with rubber spatulas. I think the food turns out a lot better and it protects the bottom of your pan as opposed to using a fork. But that's just my opinion. So I'm going to continue to stir and fold up the eggs, making sure that the wet parts hit the bottom of the pan so the heat can cook the eggs evenly. And that's it, you guys. The secret to scrambling the perfect eggs is low heat and just adding just a little bit of milk into the mix. This is what's going to keep your eggs light and fluffy. So like, comment, and share this video. I really appreciate it. And also don't forget to subscribe. Until then, I'll see you next time on QuickThyme.